a good one.
He's literally.
He's got traps. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I've got a surprise for you. I was actually going through all my old SD cards from the past two events up in New York, like literally like 20 or I don't know. There's a bunch of SD cards, GoPro footage that I had, and I'm clearing them all off, and I ran across one that was stuck in the case. Me and Jay Wheels fishing on the river this past winter, super fun day, and I'm like, I can't not post it, you know? So I'm editing it right now. You're watching it right now, and I appreciate it. Thank you for doing that. Comment below what you think me and Jacob should do the next couple months, because he's almost done with his season. I'm done with mine. We're gonna be bored. He's 12 minutes down the road from me. And yeah, I'm sure we'll be doing this in the future, but good stuff is good times, just goofing around. Caught a couple bass, and it was cold. I know it's August, but this was this past winter. Anyhow, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate all the support. Stay tuned. It's about to be a good one.
You got trash. These are junk. Yeah, I got the swim bait right now. Come on. Nope. She gone. Give me the next one. This is how you clean. This is how you clean tackle up. After a derby, you just freaking get rid of it all. Just get rid of it all. Maybe. Oh yes, son. Okay, I'm done. I'll pick up the jerkbait. Oh dude, that is a mean one.
That one.
That is a mean one. That is a cool looking fish.
Heck yeah.
Heck yeah.
First fish to ever get my live well, buddy.
Straight donked him.
2.25 pounds. We're gonna let you in here. It's okay, buddy.
First fish in the live well.
There you go. First fish to ever go into the new Ridge live well.
Big smallmouth. It is a smallmouth, right? Yeah. Oh my. That's a 4+, isn't it? Oh, bro, that's a good one.
Oh, no, that's a big one.
That's a big one.
That's a big one. Ooh, chunky one too. Oh, here, he's been eating. Gosh, come on. It's so strong in the smell.
Oh my.
Oh,
dude, that thing is
so fat.
He's got traps.
He's literally.
He's got traps.
God, dude. He's like
straight bodybuilder.
Dude,
that's pushing 5, isn't it?
He's a 4. I'm gonna say 4.5.
I bet he's 480 on your scale.
We're gonna weigh him.
He's a 460 to a 480.
I said, hey, I sure went doinky. He said
doinky. He had it too. Dude, that's a pretty fish.
TKO'd it. Whoa. Okay. excited that.
Oh, I almost ate it. I got boots on, son.
For
Oh, you're dead on, weren't you? That is a stud.
Solid.
It's surprising to see him like that because he's built like a northern.
Northern smallmouth.
Yeah, he's not long.
Not normally like that.
They are still cold. Oh shoot, son. You got that, dude. It's gotta be, you got the color, you got the angle. I got one. I finally got one though.
What are we talking about? There we go, ladies.
We got a smallmouth. Okay, guys. Oh no, it's a green one. It's a green one.
Of course, like Larry.
It's a green one, boys.
Oh, it's a big spot.
AKA Larry Legend.
We're here, we got jerk bait. We're doing the whole thing, man. You've got him one. I like it.
I caught one.
You're on the river, trying to get the big smallmouth. We got one in the box.
Jay Wheels is up about 8 to 1 right now. We got some work to do.
I had the bait for a while.
Yep, they're gonna be here, bud. Yeah, it's a big one. No, it's not.
Not a big one?
No. Feels good though. Come on, bud.
Shot?
Yeah.
That one's going.
He's
Oh my god. That one was not like, he was not playing.
Come here, bud. Dang good.
First bite, going. Pretty good.
Oh, spotty bass. Look at his tail. You see that?
That is weird.
Look at his tail. Nice. Ooh. Yay. Tell you what, I'm gonna eat my sandwich. Yep. Mm-hmm. Oh. He said, yo, bud. He said, yo, bud.
Back up toward, damn, got a bite into it.
Yeah, that's the deal. Woo. It's like if it would have been caught him one derb. Bye, bud. Thanks, buddy. Oh, son. That was a vicious, straight vicious hit. That's another 4.5. No. Yeah, he's probably 380. No, okay.
He's an 18 incher.
He's got some traps. He just doesn't have the shoulders like the other one.
He is 18 inch.
That's a dang big smallmouth.
I bet you that fish weighs 337. 337.
Yeah.
I'm gonna call him 337.
Yeah.
321.
Dang. Close. Biggin. Better one. Maybe not. There's your fish. Yeah, that's what we're seeing. I bet.
Dang Christ.
You just dodoed it.
Jointed. I thought you
Oh, I can't even get to it.
were just talking about how. All right, y'all, update. We just caught the living crud out of them. It was unbelievable. But my batteries died. You know, it's all, and it just didn't work out. We had like 27 pounds of smallmouth. Okay, that is not true.
I was gonna say, where are you going with this?
That is not true.
I missed that part.
The batteries did die, but we did not. I don't think we. I think I caught a saw. I did catch a sauger. Caught a sauger.
We got that.
Smallmouth, white bass, sauger. We've caught quite a few about everything.
Quite a few. Yep. The only thing we didn't catch was a drum, which
And a
I'm
catfish.
glad. I'm glad.
A drum is normally pretty good for these river systems, but you know, you normally get a hold of a couple of them. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. We had a good time, Hunter. I appreciate you coming out.
Yes, as
We're
always.
right here close by, so we get out every once in a while when we both aren't competing on the water. So, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know if you have any suggestions that you want to see on the channel. We truly appreciate every view. See y'all next time.
Gosh, I should have said dialed. Dialed, son. I'd be like, time out, start over. I'd be like, start over. I messed up. Back up, back up, back up, back up. No, I'll be able to make it. I couldn't break my ankle in these boots.